If the alarm system on your property needs repairs or servicing, look no further than Safenet Alarms Ltd. We serve domestic, commercial and industrial customers in Sheffield and across South Yorkshire. All alarm systems should undergo regular services to ensure proper performance. The servicing we carry out includes a 30-minute check of your alarm system to ensure that all sensors and detectors are working correctly and that the control panel is receiving and processing the information as it should. So, for more information on our maintenance services, call Safenet Alarms Ltd today.